Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can convert an MOV to MP4 using VLC Media Player. And so for that we need to open first our VLC Media Player, and once the VLC Media Player is already open, we need to go to this media tab here at the very top. Once you click on that, you will see all sorts of options here. Please select the convert or save option, and then you will be getting this kind of window. All you need to do is just to file selection here. Please add the MOV file that you want to be converted. So please click on that and then select the file that you want to be converted. And then once you have done that, all you need to do is just to click on this convert or save option here and then select convert. And then here in the profile option, please select this one or select the drop down button. And then you need to select MP4. So look for MP4 option here, this one. And then once you have done that, you can also choose between 1080p or 720p resolution depending on the preference or your preference. After doing that, you can now select for the destination folder. So just click on this browse button to select, and then you can have this desktop option, and then all you need to do is just to click on this save button here to start the conversion, and then click on this start button again, and the progress bar will start moving. So monitor the conversion. The conversion may take some time depending on the file length. So you can just minimize VLC and check the progress from the interface. So once the progress completes, the MP4 will be available in the destination folder. So you can also check the result. And if you right click on this one, if you hover your cursor, you will see that you have the item type MP4. Okay, so that's it. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.